I bought and tested these automatic watering systems so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As someone who's always had a love-hate relationship with watering plants, I wanted to find products that really deliver. After trying out several options, I'm here to share my honest opinions on what worked and what didn't. Product number 1, Rainpoint Easy Setup Automatic Plant Waterer. When I first got my hands on this device, I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to set up. The 2 dials on the control panel felt intuitive. I twisted them to set the watering duration, choosing anything from 15 seconds to 20 minutes, and adjusted the frequency from every 6 hours to every 14 days. It was refreshing to encounter a product that didn't require a PhD in botany or complicated digital displays. This is especially great for anyone like me who may not have a green thumb. One of the standout features has to be the adjustable emitter. I have a variety of plants, from succulents that need a light touch to larger ferns that soak up more water. The adjustable drippers allowed me to customize the flow for each plant without having to worry about over or underwatering. I noticed that my plants thrived better with this system, as I could cater to their individual needs without any hassle. However, I did face a few challenges. The low water auto shutoff is a double-edged sword. While it's great that it prevents pump damage, I found it slightly annoying because I had to keep an eye on the reservoir levels. And while the instructions are straightforward, I recommend taking your time to understand the setup to avoid any leaks. But overall, the Rainpoint system has made my life easier. It's affordable at $29.99, and the fact that it can handle 10 to 15 plants is impressive for someone like me who has a small indoor garden. It's great for both beginners and seasoned gardeners looking for something straightforward. Why buy it? If you're looking for an automatic watering system that's easy to set up, customizable, and effective for maintaining the health of your indoor plants, Rainpoint is definitely worth considering. It's not just a watering system. It's a game changer for anyone who loves plants but struggles to keep them hydrated. Number 2, Moistenland Automatic Watering System. I was excited to try this because it boasts the ability to support 15 potted plants, which is perfect for both my indoor and outdoor setups. Right out of the box, I noticed it came with a digital timer that allows for customizable watering schedules. Setting this up was a breeze. I was able to program it to water my plants at specific times, even when I was away for the weekend. The internal clock feature was a nice touch, allowing me to set a start time for watering that fit my plants' needs. The efficiency of this system is commendable. The water is delivered directly to the root zone of my plants, which drastically reduces evaporation and runoff. In fact, I found that I was saving nearly 70% of the water compared to traditional watering methods. This not only helps my plants, but also conserves resources, which I feel good about. However, I did run into a slight hiccup with the siphoning effect. If the water source is higher than my plants, it caused some leakage from the drippers when the timer was off. I learned the hard way to keep the water source lower than all the potted plants, which might be a bit of a hassle for some. Despite that, the Moistenland system is incredibly user-friendly, taking about 15 minutes to install. It includes all the components needed, and I enjoyed the DIY aspect of setting it up. Why buy it? If you want a reliable and efficient automatic watering system that allows for customizable schedules and reduces water waste, the Moistenland Automatic Watering System is an excellent choice. It's budget-friendly at $29.99 and offers a great solution for plant lovers who want to ensure their greenery stays hydrated even when they can't be around.
Product number 3, Dow Tiley Automatic Watering System. Let's take a look at the Dow Tiley Automatic Watering System. Right off the bat, I was impressed by its dual self-priming pumps, allowing me to water up to 20 plants simultaneously. This was a huge plus for me because I have a mini indoor jungle, and the ability to customize watering schedules for different plants was a game changer. I set it up and felt like I was in control of my plant kingdom. The system operates on both USB-C and battery power, which I loved. There's something reassuring about knowing that even if the power goes out, my plants would still be taken care of. The setup was straightforward. I just placed the intake hose into a water jug, which meant I didn't have to fuss with any faucets. This feature made it easy to keep my watering container filled without having to constantly refill it. However, I did notice that the adjustable drip emitters could be a bit finicky. When adjusting them, I had to ensure they were locked in place to prevent leaks. It took a little trial and error, but once I got the hang of it, I was thrilled with how well it worked. Overall, the Dao system really excelled in providing a stress-free watering experience. It's a bit pricier than some of the other options at $46.88, but the quality and versatility make it worth considering. Why buy it? If you're a plant parent with a diverse collection looking for a robust watering system that can handle multiple plants with varying needs, the Dao automatic watering system is an investment you won't regret. It adds an extra layer of convenience to your plant care routine while ensuring that your green friends get the hydration they need.
Product number 4, LetPot Automatic Watering System. Let's talk about the LetPot Automatic Watering System. What caught my eye was its Wi-Fi and app control features. It felt like I was stepping into the future of plant care. Setting it up was straightforward, and I was able to connect it to my home Wi-Fi without any hassle. This allowed me to control watering schedules right from my smartphone, which was a total game changer for someone like me who is constantly on the go. The app is feature-rich, letting me customize watering frequencies and durations. I could even set up to 5 simultaneous watering tasks. It's pretty cool to have that level of control, especially when you have different plants with different needs. The app also sends low water alerts, which helped me keep an eye on the water levels without having to check manually. One of the standout features is the anti-backflow valve, which I found really effective. It prevented any unwanted siphoning and ensured that my watering was efficient. The sleek design and IP66 waterproof rating also meant I could confidently use it outdoors without worrying about the elements. Plus, the silent water pump was a dream. I could run it in my bedroom without any noise disturbance. But I did notice that the installation of some accessories required a bit of finesse. I soaked the pipe heads in warm water as suggested, which did help, but some users might find this a bit cumbersome. Why buy it? If you're tech-savvy and want an automatic watering system that offers unparalleled convenience through app control, the LetPot Automatic Watering System is an exceptional choice. At $69.99, it's a bit of a splurge, but the features and peace of mind it offers make it worthwhile for serious plant enthusiasts. Product number 5, Raindrip R560 DP Drip Watering System. We have the Raindrip R560 DP Drip Watering System. I found this kit to be incredibly comprehensive, with everything needed to set up an automatic watering system for up to 20 plants. Right from the start, I appreciated how easy it was to install. Following the 3-step process laid out in the instructions, I had it up and running in no time. Connecting the timer and tubing to my water source felt effortless, and I was able to lay out the tubing in a way that fit my garden perfectly. The customizable nature of this kit was fantastic. I could easily adjust the dripper placement to suit my hanging baskets and potted plants. It really allowed for a targeted watering approach, ensuring that each plant received the right amount of hydration without any wastage. This feature is critical, especially if you're dealing with delicate plants that need a gentle touch. However, I did encounter a couple of minor issues. The instructions could have been clearer for someone who is new to drip irrigation systems. Also, the components felt a bit plasticky, which made me wonder about their long-term durability. Still, the system did what it was designed to do, save time and effort while keeping my garden healthy and thriving. Why buy it? If you're looking for an affordable and straightforward automatic watering solution, the Raindrip R560 DP Drip Watering System is a solid pick at $35.98. It's ideal for anyone from beginners to seasoned gardeners. Plus, the fact that it can handle multiple plants with ease is a huge plus for anyone looking to simplify their gardening experience. To wrap it up, all 5 of these automatic watering systems offer unique features that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you're just starting out or have an extensive indoor garden, there's something here for everyone. Choose one that fits your lifestyle and watch your plants thrive without the constant worry of watering.